everyone, and welcome back to Little Books Great Stories. Today we will be reading How to Make a Unicorn Laugh. Make sure to subscribe to Little Books Great Stories, like the video, and let's start reading! How to Make a Unicorn Laugh. If you meet a unicorn and don't know what to say, there's a secret trick to brighten a unicorn's day. Tell unicorn jokes in the unicorniest way. Hooray! Unicorn jokes are sweet. Unicorn jokes are clever. Remember these unicorn jokes, and you will have unicorn friends forever. What do you call a unicorn that lives next door? A neighbor. Why do unicorns feel sorry for circles? Circles are pointless. What is a unicorn's favorite vegetable? Unicorn on the cob. Why did the unicorn get in trouble? It was caught horsing around. What did the unicorn say when it fell off the rainbow? I've fallen and I can't giddy up. How do you ride a unicorn in space? With a satellite. What did the unicorn find at the end of the rainbow? The letter W. How much does a rainbow weigh? Not much. Rainbows are pretty light. Why did the unicorn need a hairbrush? To get ready for the main event. What do you call a unicorn in the ocean? A magic seahorse. How does a unicorn tie up a cloud? With a rainbow. What did the mama unicorn say to the sleepy unicorn? It's past your bedtime. Now you know how to make a unicorn laugh and how to make a new unicorn friend. But the last lesson is the magic lesson. Laughter makes true friendships that never end. Thank you for listening to today's Read Aloud. Please come back again next week for more here at Little Books Great Stories. Bye!